In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do gradient in Adobe Express. To get started, open your project in Adobe Express. Once your design is on screen, the first thing you need to do is select the object you want to apply the gradient to. This could be a background, a shape, or in some cases text, depending on what's supported in your project. For this example, we'll apply the gradients to the background, since that's one of the most common uses, and it's a great way to add depth and visual interest to your design. After selecting the background, move over to the left-hand panel and look for the background section. There you'll find the color swatch. Click on that swatch to open the color settings. When the color picker appears, switch over to the custom tab. This is where you'll find the gradient options and more advanced color controls. Inside the custom tab, you'll be able to choose between a linear gradient and a radial gradient. A linear gradient blends colors in a straight direction, while a radial gradient spreads color outward from a central point. To try either one, simply click its button. Adobe Express may automatically add two colors to create the gradient right away, which gives you a starting point. If you want to change those colors, click on one of the gradient color swatches and then choose the exact color you want from the color picker. As soon as you select a new color, your gradient will update automatically. Repeat the same process for the second color if you want a different combination. This makes it easy to experiment and fine-tune the overall look until it matches your style or brand. If you'd like a more complex gradient, you can add more colors by clicking the plus icon. Once a new color stop is added, select it and choose your color from the picker. You can repeat this process as many times as needed to build a smoother transition or a more colorful effect. A good tip here is to keep your colors balanced so the gradient looks intentional and clean rather than overly busy. And that's it. That's how to create a gradient in Adobe Express. Once you've chosen your gradient style and colors, your design will instantly have a more polished and professional look. And